Hello, friends. Welcome to your favorite channel, Tire Talk, where we bring you the most exciting reviews of the world's finest cars. Today, we have an absolute masterpiece, the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS. This is Ferrari's latest open-top V12 supercar, a perfect blend of style, power, and performance. With its breathtaking design and exhilarating open-air driving experience, it stands as one of the most thrilling convertibles on the market today. Let's start with the design. The 812 GTS carries Ferrari's signature aerodynamic styling, featuring a sculpted hood, sharp LED headlights, and a massive front grille that enhances airflow. The long, flowing body lines give it an aggressive yet elegant look. And just check out this glossy black finish, which makes the car look even more powerful and luxurious. One of the biggest highlights of this car is its retractable hardtop, which opens or closes in just 14 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 45 km per hour. And these massive 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires add to its bold stance. At the back, Ferrari has kept things aggressive and stylish. The signature quad taillights and the quad exhaust system make a bold statement. The large rear diffuser enhances aerodynamics while giving the car an ultra-sporty feel. And, of course, you can't miss the iconic Ferrari logo right in the center. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a driver-focused cockpit, wrapped in premium black leather with red contrast stitching. The flat-bottom carbon fiber steering wheel feels great in hand and comes with Ferrari's signature Manettino drive mode selector. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and provides all the essential driving data. Ferrari has kept things minimal inside, with a passenger side display, climate control buttons, and a high-quality premium audio system. However, the real music comes from the naturally aspirated V12 engine. Speaking of performance, the heart of the 812 GTS is a 6.5L naturally aspirated V12, producing a mind-blowing 789 horsepower and 718 Nm of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, this beast can rocket from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.0 seconds, with a top speed of 340 km per hour. And the best part, no turbochargers, just pure, raw V12 power, delivering an unmatched exhaust note that sends shivers down your spine. Driving this car is an absolute thrill. The rear-wheel drive setup, combined with Ferrari's advanced side slip control (SSC), keeps the car planted in corners while still allowing for a bit of fun when you want it. The steering is razor sharp, the throttle response is instant, and the gear shifts are lightning fast. So, what do I think of the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS? Well, it's easily one of the most exciting convertible V12 supercars on the market today. It's stunning to look at, a beast to drive, and offers an unmatched open-top grand touring experience. Of course, it comes with a hefty price tag, but if you have the means and want the ultimate Ferrari experience, this is the car to get. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the Ferrari 812 GTS? And which car should we review next? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tire Talk for more amazing car content. See you in the next one.